E la musica agli Albatros per Hurricane.
From the upper hall, she sees a bartender in the pool of blood, crying down my God, they killed a man. It comes the story of a hurricane. The man you're tired is getting too late for something that he never done. Put in a prison town, but one time he could have been the chairman of the world. Number one contender for a midway crown, and no idea what kind of shit was about to go down. When the puck moved over to the side of the road, just like a time before and time before that, and partisan just the way things go. If you're black, even if I'm not sure upon the streets that you wanna die to heat. Take a man out with just one punch, but he never liked to talk about it all that much. It's my work, he said, and I do it for food. And when he told her, I just soon on my way up to some paradise, where the soul's free flow and the air is nice. About a horse along a trail, but then they take you to the jailhouse when I try to turn a man into a mug. Moving card with files we tried, the crumble muddy wine, guess it's just a fight. Bellow and Brady and they both their life, and then newspaper, they all went for the ride. How can the life of such a man be in the palm of some fool hands to see all the ugly brains? Couldn't help but lead a man to live in a world where justice is a game. Now all the criminals and the crooks and their ties are free to drink martinis and watch the sunrise. While Ruby sits like Buddha in a 10-foot hill, an innocent man in the living hell. Yeah, it's the story of a hurricane, but he won't be over till he clear his name and give it back. Time is done. Put in a prison cell, but one time he could have been the champion of the world.
In chiusura di concerto